In this video, I'm going to be reviewing and installing window weather stripping for my Toyota Tundra. I bought them all online at oempartsource.com and I will link everything below. I have a 2014. These weather strips also work for 2007 through 2020. This is the old weather stripping. As you can tell, it's falling apart. The thing you want to start with is removing this clip. This clip holds it in place. Once you get that off, it should be pretty easy to remove. Start with your window down, and I have a flathead screwdriver to gently pop off the old seal. Now take a moment to clean and prep the area for the new weather strip. Something to take note of before beginning, this part of the seal will be inserted into the forward part of the door here. You will begin with this piece. At this part, you will start to hear the weather strip click in place. Now moving on to the back window on the driver's side. Make sure the window is down and gently remove the old weather strip. On the back windows, you want to start with the rear of the window. You want to align with the vertical weather strip that's there. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and hit that like button.